In this session, let's see what is PLC and different types of PLC. Before that, we'll see the history. First, programmable logic controllers were designed and developed by Modicon. These controllers eliminated the need of rewiring and adding the additional hardware for each new configuration of logic. The first PLC model 084 was invented by Dicky Morley in 1969. And first commercial successful PLC, model number is 184, was introduced in 1973, which was designed by Michael Greenberg. PLC or Programmable Logic Controller is a device that is pre-programmed to accept the relay logic instructions and perform this instruction to control the equipment operation. PLC is defined as a solid-state control system that continuously monitors the status of the device connected as inputs based upon a program, and it controls the status of the devices connected as output. Let's see the advantages of PLC. It's easy to program and easy to change, and you will get the accurate cost of the project. And it requires short time for training, and it is very flexible control system design using the software and a wide range of control applications, and it is easy to maintain and high reliability, and it have high resistance to the environment. The basic components of PLC. First, power supply. This provides the voltage needed to run the PLC components. Usually, the PLC will work on 24 volts DC. Next is input and output module. These I/O modules are used to send or receive the signals from the field devices. All input devices like sensors, push button, contactors, limit switch will be connected at input module, and all the output devices, solenoid, contactors, motors, alarms, everything will be connected at output side. Programming device. This is usually it will be a PC or a laptop which is used to write a program. And communication module. This is used to upload or download the signal from the controller and to communicate with the other devices like HMI, robot, SCADA or other communication devices. Central Processor Unit, CPU. The main purpose of the processor is to analyze the data coming from the field through the input module and to make a decision based on the user-defined control program, and returns the control signal through output module to the field device. Next, let's see the memory map organization in PLC. PLC memory is divided into two parts, system memory and application memory. System memory means it contains of routines that implemented the PLC instruction set, which is composed of the specific control functions such as logic sequencing, timing, counting and arithmetic. System memory is generally built for read-only memory devices. Means all your instruction set, predefined instruction sets will be stored in the system memory. Next is application memory. Application memory is divided into two parts, program data memory and user program memory. Data table stores the data of input and output status, and any stored constant, variables, preset values that you used in the program that will be stored in the data table. Data table is used where the data is to monitor, manipulate or changed for control process. User program area is where the programmed instructions are entered by the users or stored as an application control program. Means all the instruction which you used in the program will be stored in the user program. Next, let's see the PLC scan cycle. The process of reading the inputs, executing the program in the memory and updating the output is known as scanning or a PLC scan cycle. This scan time is in millisecond. When you turn on your PLC or when the PLC in the run mode, then it will reach the input and it will execute the program, and then it will do the diagnostics and communication checking between the devices, and it will update the output. This cycle is called a scan cycle. There are 5 different programming languages in PLC: ladder diagram, function block diagram, structural text, instruction list, sequential function chart. Ladder diagram means by using the NO, NC, coil will write a program. Function block diagram means by using the logical block will write a program. Structured text means is same like C programming. Instruction list. This is same like assembly language. Next is sequential function chart. This programming language represents the function chart or a function flow of program. Next, let's see the types of PLC. There are 3 different types of PLC: compact or fixed PLC, modular PLC, rack PLC. It is generally chosen for an application depending upon the number of IOs. First, let's see the compact or fixed PLC. In this compact or fixed PLC, the IO modules, the number of IO bits will be fixed and you can't expand the IOs. In modular PLC, with inbuilt IO modules, you will get an expansion slot to add the IO module. Suppose if you have a 8 or 16 built-in IOs, and if you want to extend your IOs for 24 to 32, then you can use an external IO module. Next is rack PLC. In the rack PLC, there will be no built-in IOs. All the input and output module will be in the expansion.